Dear friends, good good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And let's do another loser unboxing. Actually, I do not need to peel the sticker. But it gives me so much joy just to peel the sticker. Okay, open it up. Uh-oh. Oh, this one. There's totally no point that I waste my life here. This will not be returned. This will not be. This will be used. Okay, a little bit clumsy, but it's okay. Anyway, not. Oh, that's a very good protection. Actually. Because the force, the physics make it stay overlapping each other. So, and so here is this with a teeny tiny little of this. This is one of my favorite color. Reason, there are a few reasons I like it. There is this shiny one, there is this relatively dark, and this is much darker. So it actually see, this is much darker. I have a lot of in this is desert sand. I have I always buy this series of color, and a lot of time the color is a little bit too dark, a little bit too strong, but I feel this is relatively one of the better one. This for under the eyelid. So here is my eye, for example, the lighter color here, so glittering. This is the glittering part. And this I almost do not use it, maybe this part of it. And this is something like here. And this is something like here. And this is something like here. Anyway, let's take a look. I do not have a macro lens, and I feel it does not need macro lens. Now I used, maybe you can see the reflection. No, you cannot see. I am using iPhone, so it has a three lens. So there must be one that I can do the macro. Let's do it. Make the light right. Okay, let's see. Too close. It should be able to do the macro. Change lens. No. Uh-oh. 好的，一会儿好吗？嗯。 put it in some place that I do not need to move. Wow. Uh-oh, don't move, don't move. Wow. It's quite interesting. The glittering make it unable to see the exact, and this one you can see the exact. Oh, this is the right zoom. Are we in the right zoom? It's been a long time we didn't use this word. We totally wasted. Until now the zoom is becoming such a common thing. This is a little bit warm color. It goes with most of my makeup, and this one is a little bit cool color, and I think it goes well with my hair. My hair is black and white, and a little bit of brownish, which is quite fitting into this color. Okay, that's about it. Enjoy it. I love you. I really do. Do. Let's see the texture of the plastic. Isn't it fun? Let's see the texture of the packaging paper. A little bit of textured. Let's see my, wow, look, this is my last night's writing. Whoa, look at the ink. Shiny black. I love it. Sine square x equal to, ooh, whoa. Oh, let me see my calligraphy paper. Where is it? Calligraphy paper. And my watercolor paper. Wow, look at the watercolor. Whoa, oh, whoa. This is my watercolor. Can you imagine it? Wow. Let me see my watercolor. This is my watercolor background. Whoa. Okay. I put it into without zoom. I'm sorry it moves so much. So these are the watercolor and things. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, 夫人。